Today, I'm going to be making this PSX VHS tape from start to finish while showing you the complete workflow. This is a very simple asset and texture to create. It only took me about 15 minutes all up, but I figured someone watching this might find some sort of value in it. I grabbed the default cube and resize it to something that resembles a VHS tape. Once that is done, I just go straight to UV unwrapping. Once my model is UV unwrapped, I export the UV layout so that I can bring it over to Photoshop and use it as a guide for my texturing. I work with a 256 by 256 image. Honestly, you can go smaller. This is just what I did. I load in my UV layout and head over to Pinterest to just find some VHS covers. I bring one in that I like and resize it to fit the UV tile so to map to the sides and back of my VHS tape. I looked around for some side profiles that I can use for the top and bottom of the tape, but didn't really have any luck finding anything that I liked. I eventually just copy and paste sections from the image that I already have and use that instead. I find a front-facing VHS profile that I copy and paste into Photoshop, resize it and clean it up. I trace around the edges in an attempt to bring that cardboard cover feel forward a little bit. It wasn't perfect, but it's not that big of a deal. I start messing with the colors and the levels a little bit, not a lot, just a touch. I then bring in some grunge maps and multiply those over the top just to give them an old gritty look. And I just start experimenting with filters. I applied a diffuse filter to the texture and honestly, I think it looks pretty good. You could just apply that and leave it there, but I personally wanted to go for a more of a pixelated look, so I ended up adding in a mosaic pixel filter over the top. Once I did that, there was only a couple of little touch-ups, brought it over to Blender, and that was done. This is a really fun art style to create. I was just working with some assets for another project this morning and figured I'd make a quick video of my workflow doing this. If you like these kinds of videos where I just create stuff and show the process from start to finish, let me know. This is just something different I wanted to try while I'm working on some bigger projects, so yeah.